Draw really awesome.
Bruh.
Ow. Welcome to Draw Really Awesome. Wow! I'm Arthur Romeo, Master of Ceremonies. I'm seeing so many really cool comments and suggestions for new subjects to sketch, and I can't wait to work on those this week. Be on the lookout. So, in this instant, we are drawing the lovely Emma Watson, and I have a great guest to give us some intel and factoids on this delightful actress. We have Mr. Scholarly.
Many great salutations are in order. How do you do, Mr. Romeo? Charmed, I'm sure.
I'm doing quite well. I'm just trying to capture this young woman's delightful features.
Yes, she's rather quite the starlet, as they say.
I always wondered who said that.
That's neither here or there, Mr. Romeo. You mustn't lose concentration in this creation. How long have you been drawing faces, my dear boy?
Well, I've been drawing since I was little, around 5 years old, and I didn't really start drawing faces until I was around 13. I remember the first person that I drew was a friend of mine in Washington, D.C., named Remy. I successfully was able to capture his likeness, and I never looked back. Mr. Scholarly? Mr. Scholarly.
Yes, Mr. Romeo. But 'tis, I'm afraid, not enough Emma Watson in that tale.
Well, by all means. What is the Emma Watson report, oh great sage of English ingenues?
No need for the ruffle feathers, chap. And yes, there's a great deal of intriguing tidbits of illumination, as they say.
No one says that. No one says that.
Emma Charlotte Dwyer Watson was born April 15th, 1990, in Paris of all places. Not only an actress, but a model and activist as well.
Oh, wow, I didn't know.
Along with very many, many things you don't know, Mr. Romeo.
I definitely know who I'm not going to invite here again. Get along with it, Mr. Scholarly.
What else did you read off the wiki page? That accent is atrocious. I'll have you know, sir, my resources are of the utmost high in quality.
Yeah, info like, although she was born in Paris, she was raised in Oxfordshire. She attended the Dragon School, very British, like on-the-nose British, and trained in acting at the Oxford branch of Stagecoach Theatre Arts. As a child, she rose to stardom after landing her first professional acting role in a little movie known as Harry Potter, playing a very small, minor character, Hermione Granger. Information like that.
Where did you get that? How about you stick to the doodling?
Listen, bro, I think we got off on the wrong foot. I think we both share general love for Emma Watson's work over the years, and I think we should reset and go from there.
You reset!
Come now, Mr. Scholarly. What did you like about her post-child career?
Well, I must say it's rather hard to get from out under the child career in acting. She went out swimmingly, working with some of the best that the industry has got to offer.
Yeah, I really enjoyed her in The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Yeah, that was a really nice coming-of-age movie.
She was absolutely splendid as Belle in Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, yeah. And the part in This Is the End where she grabbed the axe and swung it at all those comedians? We're in agreement.
You're still an idiot.
So are you, Scholarly. So are you. So, this is Emma Watson. Thank you so much for watching the show. And as always, please like, subscribe, and leave in the comments who you would like me to draw. I'm just waiting to see all the exciting choices that you guys have for me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.